Have you ever found yourself texting a girl or even your ex and noticed that she's losing interest or has already broken up with you? If so, you might be tempted to chase her more by texting, calling, or showing up at her place. But let me tell you something, bro. This is not the way to go. In fact, ignoring her and giving her the space she needs is one of the most powerful things you can do to win her back. But there's a lot more to it than just ignoring her. In this video, I'll explain why chasing her will only push her away, and how giving her space can create a much stronger attraction in the long run. 1. Why chasing her makes things worse. It's natural to feel desperate when you don't want to lose someone. But when a girl loses interest or breaks up with you, it's important to stop trying to fix things by constantly contacting her. You might feel like you need to do something to get her back, but doing things like calling, texting, or even asking her friends to convince her to change her mind will only make things worse. It shows that you don't respect her decision and that you're willing to beg for her attention. This will only push her further away. 2. Understanding the need for space. When a girl starts ignoring your messages or becomes less enthusiastic, it's often a sign that she needs space. She needs time away from you to reflect and miss you. If you're constantly texting her or showing up in her life, you're not giving her the room to feel that longing for you. By not contacting her, you're allowing her to realize what she's missing and giving her the space she needs to possibly reconnect with you. 3. The power of space. If you've already confessed your feelings and told her that you want her back, she probably already knows how you feel, so there's no need to keep repeating yourself. Giving her space doesn't mean you stop caring, but it shows her that you have self-respect and that you're not desperate. When you stop chasing her, you put the ball back in her court. She'll start to wonder why you're not chasing her, and that curiosity could be the thing that brings her back into your life. 4. The right way to apologize. Sometimes you might have made a mistake or hurt her. In those cases, you should apologize, but do it the right way. A simple, sincere apology with no expectations is all you need. Don't follow it up with questions like, "Will you forgive me?" or "How have you been?" When apologizing, keep it brief, admit your mistakes, and move on. This shows her that you're mature and don't need her validation to feel better about yourself. 5. The importance of self-respect. When a girl decides to leave or stop showing interest, you need to respect her decision. If she's made up her mind, then it's time to step back and let her make the next move. If she's meant to come back to you, she will. If she doesn't, then that's a sign that it wasn't the right relationship. The best thing you can do is respect her choice and move forward. Don't beg, don't chase, just give her the space she needs. 6. Why she'll respect you more. Giving her space doesn't mean you don't care. It means you respect yourself and your time. When she sees that you're not chasing her, it will make her think about what she might be missing. This can often lead to her wanting to come back, as women are attracted to men who aren't desperate for their attention. By maintaining your dignity, you'll appear more attractive and in control. 7. Understanding the bigger picture. Giving space is not just important in relationships with women. It's essential in every aspect of life. In your career or friendships, sometimes stepping back and allowing things to flow naturally is the best approach. Chasing something that isn't meant to be can cause unnecessary stress and frustration. By giving yourself and others the space to grow, you allow good things to come naturally. It also shows that you value yourself enough to not chase after something or someone who doesn't see your worth. 8. The key to moving on. If a woman decides that she doesn't want to be with you anymore, accepting it is crucial for your growth. Trying to get her back by constantly chasing her isn't healthy for you or her. It's important to understand that it's her decision, and the best thing you can do is move on. When you do this, you open yourself up to better opportunities and a chance to find someone who values you just as much as you value yourself. Conclusion. In the end, bro, the art of ignoring a woman is not about playing games or pretending you don't care. It's about understanding that self-respect and giving space are key components of building healthy relationships. Women appreciate men who know their worth and who can step back when necessary. If you stop chasing her and focus on yourself, you'll not only become more attractive, but you'll also feel better about yourself. Remember, space allows feelings to grow naturally, and sometimes it's the best thing you can give her. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this video helpful. Stay strong, stay confident, and remember to always respect yourself in every situation.